How to comment on Instagram story. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to comment on someone's Instagram story. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device. At the top, there is a story section where you will find stories posted by the people you follow. Find and open the Instagram story of the person you want to comment on. The story of that specific person will open up. Look for the comment icon at the bottom left corner. Please note that if this icon is not available, you won't be able to comment on someone's Instagram story. There are a few reasons why the icon might not be visible. First reason is you may not have updated the app, so make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. The second reason is the user who posted the story might have turned off the comment feature on their story. If it's available, tap on the comment icon, then start writing your comment. Once done, tap on the white upward arrow to post it. As you can see, my comment has been added to this story. Please note that comments made on Instagram stories will be visible to everyone who views that story, so comment accordingly. And boom! You have successfully learned how to comment on an Instagram story. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.